Hey, this is Cool Trains of Montreal. Looks like I got the CSX train here. Here at the Dorval ramps. Past 5 o'clock. 5:45 p.m. Sunday, May 21st, 2023. And they're really hazy skies too. Conditions keep changing here. We had rain, we had sun, we have cloud, we have everything. Looks like this train also has everything. Everything except double stacks. And this train will probably be the one that's heading down to Syracuse, New York. I believe that's train 327. Coming through pretty quickly. And that's the end of the train right there. Heading westbound. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.